Welcome back, Rad Pack. Today we're working on the bike. I've got to replace these crank bearings in here. Probably don't have the right tools, but we're going to do it anyway. First I gotta find one of these that fits this. Make do with what you got, right? Hopefully I'm turning it the right way. Maybe these will work better. Okay, this is the side that's going to be pulling through there. So what I should do is take the pedal off this side too before I get too much farther. There we go. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey isn't always the case, see? That one turned right to come out. Now when you take these off, you want to make sure to put them in the same order. So that you put them back on in the same order. I'm not saying this is the best way to do it, I'm saying this is how I do it. There we go. That's how they're going to go back on. Need to wipe those up a little bit before we put them back in there. I don't see a cloth. Be right back. Now, wow, that one still looks pretty good. But as you guys know, I'm always complaining something's knocking. Yeah, that one's pretty smashed and messed up. There's our problem right there. Clean this up. Get all the old nasty gunk out. Hello, Chick Chick. How are you doing? You guys want to help? Guess they don't want to help. Okay, that looks pretty good. The new bearings right here. And what we need to do, feed this back through. Oh, I missed a spot cleaning it. Look at that. You want to get all the old stuff out. It's got sand, grit, whatever. Road goobers. Got my bearing grease. I think we're just going to put that on with some Q-tips. I'm just gonna put a lot on. If there's too much, it's just gonna ooze out. If there's too little, it's not gonna work right. Goober that up real good. First nice day we've had in a while. We gotta get out here and start getting the bike working again. Needs washed really bad too. I'm not that worried about that. Goober that up real good. Goober up one of these a bit. Not sure if you really have to do this part, but better safe than sorry. You guys sneaking up? How you doing? You want to help? Work on the parts? You don't care, huh? You can't eat it? Alright. There we go. Hope that'll stay there. While we goober up this next one. I don't think there's a such thing as too much grease. Before we put these back on, we'll wipe them off. Get all that grit out of there. And this one goes up against the bearing, so we're going to goober it up with new stuff. Get it started. It doesn't want to thread. How you doing, chicks? You leaving? You guys don't want to help? Alright. Close that up before I get the goobers in it. You don't want to get this too tight either, or your pedals won't turn very easily. Right there, that's a little too tight. No more knocking noises. How I do it, you just test it. You don't want too much resistance. Once you get it exactly where you want it, then you can put the remaining pieces on. There's a little point right there. You gotta line up with this little groove right here. And lock it all down with this last bolt. Nut, actually, not a bolt. And you see I'm using the total wrong tools. The only tool I have that's the right one is this one for the little groove here. I always forget that it's backwards too, and I tighten it instead of loosening it to begin with. Make it harder on myself. Okay, that moved a little bit when I tightened it down. Oh. Gonna have to fix that. Loosen that one a little bit. Remember, left is tight, right is looser. Yeah, we'll have it a little bit too loose, so when we tighten this one down. Then it won't get too tight, hopefully. A little tight. Let's see if that'll work its way in though. Yeah, that just might. Okay, I'll put the pedal back on. I'm glad I came out and sprayed these with WD-40 the other day. Let it soak for a couple days. Makes it a lot easier to get these out. Pedals are pretty hard to get off. It works pretty good. It's a little tight. Mess with that a little bit more. It's not just right yet. Oh, that's a lot better. back on. Oops. No more knocking. Oh, that's so much better. There you go, guys. That's how I replaced the crank bearings. Now when we're riding around doing videos, we shouldn't be hearing knock, 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 knock the whole time. Hope that helps somebody. Peace be with you.